Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting unboxing review of the ultimate must-have multicolor jutti for women who, if you are a fan of Punjabi Jutti, you are in for a treat. Let divine right in as we unbox this beautiful pair of multicolor jutti. You can already see the intricate detailing and craftsmanship. The vibrant color and execute design truly make these jutti stand out. Whether you are attending a wedding, a festive occasion, or simply want to add a touch of elegance to your everyday outfit, these jutis are the perfect choice, made especially for women and girls. These jutis are not only fashionable but also comfortable to wear. The soft padding and quality material ensure a snug fit that will keep your feet happy all day long. You can dance, walk, or even run in this juti with easy. The multicolor jutis comes in various sizes, ensuring the perfect fit for everyone. And with the versatile range of color, you can pair them with any outfit from traditional Indian attire to Western wear. These jutis will effortlessly elevate your style and make a statement wherever you go. Durability is also a key factor when it comes to purchasing shoes, and these jutis pass the taste. The high quality craftsmanship and attention to details guarantees a long lasting and reliable pair of for footwear. The multicolor juti of women is a must have for any fashion enthusiast. Whether you are attending a wedding, festive, or simply want to add a touch of elegance to your everyday outfit, these jutis will not disappoint. Thank you for watching our video review unboxing of this ultimate Punjabi juti for women. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more fashion tips, review, and unboxing. See you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care. And if you want to purchase this juti, then I shall link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.